Hey, I'm Josh Drummond from Nashville, Tennessee with a 74 Scout 2.
It's a pretty good looking truck. So how long have you had it?
Going on 6 years now. We've been working on it for, like I said, about 6 years.
Turn it off. Now we can hear you. So how long have you had it?
Going on 6 years now. Yep.
And what all have you done to it?
There's not much we haven't been through. Probably the interior is one of the few remaining areas that we haven't really gutted, but otherwise between myself and Doug and Randy, you know, we've been through about the whole truck. Still primarily original, you know, original 304, original transmission. So
how's it drive down the road?
Great, 65, 70 miles an hour, about wherever I want to go. You know, it's been an extremely reliable truck.
Future plans?
Really just to keep it stable. Take it out west next summer, do a lot of fly fishing, do a lot of exploring, you know, really what Scouts are for.
Josh, out of here? All right, man. Good to see you.
Yeah. So they just threw all kinds of crummy parts on that.
Appreciate you showing that to us.
Appreciate you coming out today.
Have a good one.
Yeah.